Ito, we have a question from the entertainment editor of the Philippine Star, Natalie Tomada.
Naka-Valentine's outfit na.
Ano lang, MJ, follow up lang kasi yung meaning pala ng peony. Peony flowers binigay ni
Okay, nag-research. Okay, wait. What kind of flowers is it again? Peony?
Oh, favorite meaning. So it means
Roses
pala, it symbolizes healing and protection. Ganda.
Did you know that?
Well, ang sabi ko lang sa flower shop.
For healing and protection po.
Pink lang sa red.
Magkakamot pala yung flower.
May ibang bulaklak for healing and protection.
Yun. Pero yun na, Kim, do you feel protected by power?
Ay, ang ganda
Super
naman.
naman sa mga
Super.
protect. Isa ka palang armor, knight and shining. Wala, super. Okay naman, oo naman. Hindi, well, lahat naman, hindi ko naman protected ako. Parang, paano mo masasabing hindi ka protected pag minamanyak ka na siguro? Siguro ganun. Kasi lahat naman ng taong nakakasalamuha ko ay may respeto sa akin. So, I feel protected if ganun.
You know what? Let me say something. I think where Natalie's coming from is, we haven't seen you this comfortable ng matagal. Na parang you feel so safe when you're with Paolo.
Sikyo pa na siya. Hindi, sorry. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko napapansin. Pero kung
Kasi
yun ang napapansin niyo.
Pakilan nyo na to, na project.
4.
See? Diba? If you don't feel safe with your ka-eksena, diba? You won't reach like 4 projects.
Siguro din kasi...
May ganun ba? May sense of security?
I think so. Tsaka may sense of growth when in terms to mga roles na ginagawa namin. And very thankful din kami sa ABS dahil binibigyan nila kami sa Dreamscape, binibigyan kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mga serye na which tackles different types of roles. And pagka-eksena ko si Pao, parang nag-grow ako din
Okay.
as an actor.
Ikaw, Pao, instinct mo na ba yon na to protect Kim? Not naman in protect in like literal na way, but you know, have that safe space with Kim while working with you.
Of course. Parang, syempre, well, I've worked with Kim for so long, and parang, as much as possible, you try to protect them. Not just physically, pati, in terms of knowing, diba? The more you know, kasi, the more you're protected mo for a lot of stuff. For example, siguro, sige, wag na lang example.
Tuloy mo! Tuloy mo, pumelo na kami eh. Tuloy mo yan, Pao. Like what?
For example, like online scams, diba? Parang if you're a bit knowledgeable about that thing, you share the knowledge.
Yeah.
And parang at the same time, she's protected because she's knowledgeable about online scams even more.
But now that you've heard na yung flowers na binigay mo kind of symbolizes healing and protection, what's your reaction?
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Oo naman. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba?
Pwede naman everyday.
Mulubi.
Kaya mo yan, Nats.
Last question lang. Kasi ito talaga yung question ng marami dito sa table.
With immediacy na naman yan, and urgency.
Ano lang, for Kim Pao again, how was the Valentine's Day for you?
Did you guys go out? No? Okay. Kalma na, tinanong ko lang naman. Just curious. Di ba? Did you guys go out? Taga kasi. How did you spend Valentine's Day? Ayoko na tanongin yung buong cast, kayong dalawa na.
Para masama sila. Ako, nanood ako ng Netflix, yung Singles Inferno.
Bakit naman yun?
Nanood ako noon.
Okay.
Ako, wala, bahay lang din. May meeting lang ng tapos may inaaral lang ako para sa isang role. Yeah.
Okay. Okay ka na, Nats? Okay.
MJ, we are down to our last question.
Oh.
And that killer question will come from the diva that we love, no other than Alwin Ignacio of Tribute.
Yes.
For Kim and for Paolo, for projects together, where do you attribute the success of Kim Paolo?
I think I really attribute it to the people supporting us. Because, yun nga parang Lin lang was supposed to be a one-time project. Pero sila yung nag-request talaga ng nag-request na parang they wanted more, they wanted to see more. We did Secretary Kim, then they wanted a movie, we gave them a feel-good movie, and now parang an intense teleserye. So, ano talaga, siguro hanggang nire-request na hanggang may gusto pang panoorin kami. Parang we'd still do projects together. So it's for the fans and people who supporting us. So thank you so much.
Kim, for projects together, where do you attribute the success of Kim Paolo?
Ito naman is hindi naman siya mag-work without the support na nakukuha namin ngayon. Ako kasi nakaka-3 love teams na ako. So parang talaga mayroon pa rin pala na nagsusupport sa amin ni Pao. And this time, in this day and age, ang bilis ng takbo ng bawat artista and ang bilis magsawa ng mga tao. Pero sobra kaming nagugulat and at the same time, very thankful ni Pao na ganito yung effort and time and love na binibigay nila sa amin. Kaya gusto din namin ibalik sa kanila with giving them great projects also na iba-iba para iba-iba yung variations. Parang ganun. So very, very lucky in this lifetime na merong sumusuporta sa amin.
Okay, last question. For projects together, nandun na ba kayo sa point na parang nakakaumay na? Parang pahinga muna tayo.
Hindi naman po, hindi naman. Actually, may times na na parang not because nakakaumay, pero parang we feel overworked. So parang hinga muna. But whenever I talk to Kim naman, parang ano pang pwede natin gawin after this, ito. Pwede pa pala to. Sige, baka pwede nating i-reserve yan in the future. So it's more of like finding kung ano pa pwede namin i-offer na hindi pa nila nakikita po sa amin.
Which is totoo lang, maganda yun, ha? Yung konting breather, di ba, Alwin? Para may miss factor. Kim, what's your reaction?
Ako, may mga ganun na parang kami mag-eksena lagi. Kaya maganda din na binigyan kami ng TFC na Kim Pao World Tour.
Yon!
Which is coming this next month, April. Basta i-announce din nila. So, meron kaming US and Canada tour. So, masaya din. At the same time, it's something different and mas personal to say thank you to all of them.
Okay, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you, Alvin. As we wrap this up, let's talk about that na real quick before we ask messages from everybody. Kim Pao World Tour, your reaction when this was announced, Paolo, sa asa parang, meron? Parang meron eh. So, how did you feel na meron kayong ganito? Kim, we were just talking about this sa van when we were in Korea, di ba? Parang sabi ko kay Direk Lauren.
Ganun, maganda mag-tour.
Oo, di ba?
Yes, ano na siya, yung imaginary namin nangyayari na because of TFC. So, binigyan kami ng chance to meet our supporters sa US, sa Canada. So, excited kami.
Okay, may mga dates na tayo, Pao. Baka you can... may dates na! Okay. Mark your calendars, mga team, kapamilya, TFC, team abroad. Okay, let's go.
Okay, on April 24 will be at Redwood City. April 26 Anaheim.
And May 1 sa Edmonton and May 3 sa Toronto.
Alright! Mga kapamilya natin sa North America, it's Redwood City on the 24th. And then Anaheim, California on the 26th. And then May 1, Edmonton, and May 3 in Toronto. Wow!
See you there!
Ayan, so exact venues and ticket details are coming out soon, so abangan nyo lang yan. See you soon, everyone.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna show something sa LEDs. Yeah, may mga surprise kami kaya parang yung flowers lang, di ba? Okay, ready? Let's go! Let's show it. Oh, it's the poster of the Alibi! Grabe naman talaga! Ang ganda! Alright, thank you everybody for sharing your questions. And maraming salamat sa cast for being candid in answering, in making this press con fun. Let's